Canada Immigration Guide for Nigerians, skilled workers. Canada has a bountiful need for skilled workers. With the Canada Immigration Guide for Nigerians, Nigerian skilled workers can be given a permanent resident visa depending on their certification with job, academic background, and also understanding of English or French. Skilled workers such as designers, therapists, chefs, crane drivers, plumbing professionals, electricians, and so on are simply several of the few positions that remain in need in the country. If you are just one of those that have the following experience and would certainly want to try immigrating in the nation, this Canada Immigration Guide for Skilled Workers will certainly assist you get some info to enlighten you on just how to apply. The first step that you need to do is to examine if you would certify in the standards set by the country's government. Below are several of the requirements for you to recognize following Canada Immigration Guide for Nigerians. Result of language proficiency test from recognized screening centers. A 1-year straight as well as permanent work experience in the profession provided in the National Occupational Category of Canada. If you do not qualify with the second need, you can still refine your documents if you have a legitimate task offer from companies in the country. The listing pointed out above are simply the essentials that you would certainly require to inspect prior to you could begin handling. When you have the ability to supply it, your papers would certainly still be reviewed depending on your language efficiency, educational history, job experience, age. If you have actually found an employer from the nation currently. Capacity to adapt. It is likewise vital to reveal that you can support your household once you showed up in the country. If you will certainly be able to provide the demands provided, you may currently begin taking care of the records that you would require to send your application. An application form can be downloaded online. As a skilled worker, you must download the KIND Federal Skilled Worker Application Plan. Aside from the application, a step-by-step treatment on exactly how to tackle your application is additionally offered to you. You simply need to fill out the forms supplied. It can be performed in your computer as well as have it printed after, or if you are extra comfortable in creating, you can do so. However, make sure that you compose plainly. Also, make certain that every concern is meticulously addressed. Be honest in writing. The info required for any type of inconsistencies will certainly make your application valid. An insufficient application would also not be processed. After you have completed the files required, prepare the repayment for your fee. Need you fall short to get the stated application, the fee will certainly be returned to you. The right of permanent residence fee is paid differently just if you are already qualified to arrive as a skilled worker and also prior to your citizenship. An overview on how to pay your fees is additionally included in the overview that you can download and install together with your application. Send your application through mail to Central Intake Office for Federal Skilled Worker Applications in Sydney, Nova Scotia, Canada. Please note that federal skilled worker applications need to not be submitted to the visa workplace in your country. If you are established to immigrate to Canada yet do not know how, there are several sources on the internet that might assist you with Canada Immigration Guide for Nigerians. For a totally free newsletter with tons of info as well as useful Canada immigration overview, subscribe now by clicking the link in the description box. Click the link to speak to a Canadian visa processing representative. Make sure you watch the next video about Canadian visa requirements. If you found value in this video, please we encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos and opportunities like this.